So we're going to change the oil and oil filter in a Mk1 Toyota Yaris. So we're going to start by going under the car to drain the oil. So get a 14mm socket and put it on the sump, and then start to undo it. Make sure you've got a drain pan underneath to catch the oil when it drains. Now let the oil drain. So take the old sump plug washer off and get a new one, and put the new one on, then get the bolt and put it back on once the oil's finished draining. Once it's finished draining, then put the plug back on and tighten it up. Then we're going to torque it up to 30 Newton meters. And just wipe off any oil. So spray a bit of brake cleaner and then wipe it down. Next we're going to undo the oil filter, which is just under here. Get an oil filter removal tool, like a pair of these pliers, and then just undo it. Once you've loosened it a bit, then you can remove the rest by hand. Make sure you've got a drain plug underneath because it's going to leak some oil there. So once you've got your drain pan underneath, then just undo it the rest of the way and the oil is going to come out a bit. So just wipe down the face of the oil filter housing. And then get your new oil filter. So get your new oil filter. Just take off the top. And it's already got a small misting of oil, but we'll just get a little bit of oil. And then just put it around the sill, just to make sure that it doesn't catch and it goes on a bit easier. Next, we're just going to go and screw it onto the oil filter housing. And now just do it up as tight as you can by hand. And that's it. Now just clean up any of the surrounding area if there's a little bit of oil that was left over. But now we're going to fill up the oil. Just take the engine oil cap off. Put a funnel in. Now we're going to fill the engine with 3.2 litres of 5W30 fully synthetic oil. So once you've filled it up, then we're going to check the oil. Okay, it's just a bit over, which is fine because now we're going to start the car so it can go around the system and go into the oil filter. So once you've let it run for about 30 seconds, just check where the oil filter has been put back on and where the sump plug's been put back on to make sure there's no leaks, and then give it a little bit of time just so the oil can go down, and then we're going to check the oil again. So we're going to check the oil level now. And we're at the top of the full mark. That's good. If you need to add any more, then add some more. If not, then that's it, you're done.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more.